Good evening. We start tonight with the continuing drop in the stock market. Today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropping almost 1,200 points. The story is new at 10 o'clock. Those losses coming after the markets paired heavy losses from early in the trading day. Star Bodie joins us now after speaking to a financial planner, getting his advice and a little information about what this could mean in the coming days. Star.
Sean, that's right. Another brutal day on Wall Street. This comes after another announcement about the coronavirus, this time in California, and that's when the market took a spin.
It's been a startling ride even before Thursday's opening bell on Wall Street. This comes after the CDC confirming another case of the coronavirus in California, leaving the Dow futures to drop nearly 400 points early on.
So much of our goods, and our goods especially, are made in China. So with that kind of slowing down, it just slows down the entire supply chain, and that starts to affect the market.
This week alone, the Dow has shed more than 3,000 points. Klunich tells us the virus has significantly impacted supply and trade internationally, but should rally back sooner than later.
If you start selling your positions, whether they're stocks, bonds, mutual funds, then you've kind of locked in those losses. So you just have to be very prudent, look at what you're doing, what your strategy is, what your investment strategies are like.
If you're looking to invest, there are some tips that you can take to ensure your finances are stable for the future. The biggest piece of advice is not to panic about your losses, as the market should bounce back. Investors that are using money for living costs could be affected up front, especially those using their IRA accounts.
So it's going to depend on people's risk, how long until they need to start using their money. So it's a real good time to make sure you're looking at your statements, make sure that you are on track for whatever it is that your investment strategy was.
Klunich adding, for some, when the market plummets, it could be a good sign for cash investments.
Now, this is interesting. Companies that sell Purell, Clorox wipes, and other masks have seen an increase in trades because of the virus. Sean?
So, yeah, just another further sign of how fragile really the stock markets can be.
Yeah, it's interesting to see how things are going up and down. Very different changes for this week.
Yeah, stay tuned. All right, Star Bodie in the control room. Thanks.